So for this, I'm going to present about our group project management. So we are in group 2 of our the subject. So as first we have been select for the project selection. What is the criteria for our project? We choose for 4 topics as the criteria said. We mainly see of the object appearance and durable, difficulty, cost, and team satisfaction. As the weight, we manage to weight them in our offer to being total of 100. As you can see, we make the difficulty as a more part of the weight. Next, we giving up the project selection as the criteria. As we have the project, we have about 6 projects to be designed in our university. As for industrial faculty renovation of IE working, and renovation of industrial classroom, and other admin office. So we sum up at the rank of the criteria. We pick it up from the weight, and we time with the cost of the weight that we put in the last slide, and we manage to some rank up to see that which of the project would be occur on our project. Next was the project scope statement. So we project objective was to enhance the environment of the admin office, to upgrade the facility, better support student need by 31 October 2024. And the product scope was to add the computer and waiting zone for the student with the new layout of the environment inside the admin office. So the justification of the scope of project was to renovating the admin office to look more professional and durable, creating a better environment for the staff and visitor, even though it might be challenging, but it's going to plan and make it easier. So the cost will be balanced by the improved workplace and leading the happier, more of the productive staff. As a deliverable to the new office layout design will be new furniture upgrade and enhanced waiting area. Next one is the project scope statement. As for the milestone, we select the date as the follow-up in our screen. We have the project start, completion, procurement of material, start of renovation work, midpoint review, and completion of renovation, and lastly the project evaluation from 1 August to 31 October of 2024. Next for Kitipat.
In this slide, you will know about the technical requirement of the admin office that we will install more. The first is the office desk for admin and other people, computer to use, the window for student and admin, office chairs for each person in the room, office drawer for each file, chair for the student to sit outside, shelf for paper required in front of the admin room, whiteboard for note everything. Going to the next page is a limit and executions. This page will example the limit of our renovations about admin office. We will have an article about the time, the material, and the structure of the building. And once we know these limitations, we can planning to the next step. Going to the next page, this one is acceptance criteria. This is the one that we will install inside the admin office for comfortable and easy to use. The one is the standing form technical requirements. Like an office drawer is have a wide, depth, and height what it is. And the next is the spec of this computer, and the CPU and the whiteboard is the spec of those things that we share from standard for technical requirement. Next, going to Busan Design in Kamhang.
Okay. For the deliverable and the work package, for the first one, a new office layout design. For the work package, we have measured and analyzed the current office space dimension. And for the rest and the code, we have shown it will be appear on the project network and the responsibility matrix. For the detail, you can read by your own because everything will be the same on the project network. Next page, please. The second one is the furniture and fixture upgrade and the work package detail and the enhanced waiting area. Next, and this one is the work package detail of the enhanced waiting area.
So the position list, we put Warakamon Phanosin is a project sponsor and the code is PS002. The second person, Thiripasit Sen, is a risk manager RM004. Pusanisa Ninkamhang project accountant PA003 and Chaiwat Pushayanon project manager PM001. So the 4 person will put in the responsibility matrix. Next. In this matrix we have the R and S. So R stands for responsible. You have to do some. Is it your responsibility that you have to do in their milestone. So the S1 is the support or the help. If the responsibility of the first person or the people in that job have problems, so the S will be support to help. Okay. This is about the project communication plan. So the information is the weekly progress update. Target audience is our project team, provider, project manager, method of communication, such as email or anything. When is every Friday. So the key decision we target audience is steering committee, provider by the project sponsor, method of communication monthly meeting when first Monday of the month. Budget update, finance department is the target audience, project accountant is provider, financial report is our communication, and end of each quarter is when we start the meeting. Client feedback, target audience is client representative, provider, project manager. The communication method of communication is bi-weekly meeting, and it will be every other Wednesday. Risk assessment, the audience is the risk management team, provider is risk manager. Communication, we will use the risk register update and it will begin as we need.
Okay, I'm gonna explain about the project network. So I'm gonna explain of each box first. For each box, when we start, we'll select from the deliverable work package for each one. For when we start writing the project network, we need to start with the middle box in the bottom first, which was the duration of this task. Then we have the earliest start, earliest finish, last start, and lastly to finish. And the SL, which have the red highlight for some of it, is the stand for slack. It represents how long an activity can be delayed without affecting the duration of the project. So for each task, the line represents that the task before need to be finished before the later one can be done. So you can see here we have like the project kick off, then we go to the next box and go on to the finish. And on each box we will have the ID, the W, for example, the WP/B5, which is the same code from the deliverable work package.
In this page, you can see the layout of the office design. We design a little bit change from the old office for add more space the admin office and make it more comfortable and workable with space for students to sit and relax and asking for advice from the staff admin. Thank you for listening to today's presentation. I hopefully you receive all the information today. Thank you.